All right, so let's talk about something pretty much every creator runs into. How do you actually sell the amazing stuff you make? If you're looking for one of the absolute simplest ways to start earning online, well, you are in the right place. We're going to break down how Gumroad can help you turn your passion into an actual paycheck.
So just picture it, right? You've poured your time, your energy, maybe weeks of your life into making something you're super proud of. Could be a beautiful digital art piece, a really in-depth ebook, an online course you know will help people. Whatever it is, you've done the hard part. The creative part is done. And then, bam, you hit that wall, the one that so many people hit. The thought of building a whole website, figuring out payment systems, handling file delivery, it just feels like way too much. And this is that frustrating spot where so many incredible projects just get stuck. But what if it didn't have to be that complicated?
Well, that's exactly the problem Gumroad was built to solve. Think of it as your instant digital storefront. It's designed from the ground up to just completely get rid of that technical barrier between your awesome creation and your future customers. So, what is Gumroad, really? Simply put, it's a platform made for people like you to sell directly to your audience. You don't need a fancy, complicated e-commerce website. The whole idea is about simplicity and speed, letting you go from a finished product to actually earning money from it in, like, minutes. Okay, so let's get into the mechanics of it. How does it actually work? Let's look at how Gumroad does all the heavy lifting so you can just focus on what you're good at, which is creating more cool stuff. And honestly, getting started is, well, it's as simple as it looks right here. You create an account, you upload your file, you decide what you want to charge for it, and you hit publish. That's it. No joke. You are officially in business. No coding, no web design, just a straight shot to selling your work. Now here's the real magic. This is all the complicated, annoying stuff that you don't have to think about. Gumroad takes care of all of it. It processes payments from pretty much anywhere in the world. It makes sure your customers get their files securely right after they buy. And, get this, it even handles the massive headache of collecting sales tax and VAT. That alone is huge. But here's the thing, selling a product is really just the start. The real power, the long-term success, comes from building a community around what you do. Gumroad gets that. It's not just a checkout button, it's a tool for building real relationships with the people who support your work. And to help you do that, you get a bunch of marketing tools right out of the box. You've got super simple, shareable links you can post anywhere. You can create discount codes for a sale. You can even set up recurring subscriptions for ongoing content, or build up some hype by doing pre-orders for your next big project. And this is maybe the most important difference. On other big marketplaces, the platform basically owns the customer. They stand between you and the person who bought your product. With Gumroad, you own that relationship. You get their email address. That means you can send them updates. You can let them know about new stuff. You can build a real, loyal audience that actually belongs to you. That's a game changer. So, you're up and running. You've made some sales. What's next? Growth, right?
Well, Gumroad is also built to help you scale your income smartly, giving you the information you need to make better decisions as you go.
And this is a perfect example of how it does that. You get these really clear, easy to understand analytics. So yeah, you can see what's selling best, but you can also dig deeper. You can see how many people who clicked the link from your newsletter actually bought something versus people who came from Twitter. That kind of data is absolute gold because it tells you exactly what's working and where to focus your energy. And don't think for a second that this is just for beginners. Whether you're making your very first sale on a single ebook or you're running a whole digital empire with courses and monthly memberships, the platform scales right there with you. It's simple enough to start, but powerful enough to grow with. You know, when you boil it all down, it comes back to this one powerful idea. It's about giving you the freedom and the tools to take the things you love to create and turn them into a reliable source of income. It's about making it possible for any creator to get paid for their work. So that really just leaves one final and pretty exciting question. With the path from your idea to your bank account being this clear and this simple, what are you going to create and share with the world first?